What's up guys, my name is Gloria and today I'm going to show you how to make Dutch babies. Not weird, I swear. So you need to preheat your oven to 475 and put a 10-inch cast iron skillet in there so while it's preheating, the skillet will also heat up. While that is still heating up and preheating and everything, we're going to take 2 eggs, we're going to crack them into a bowl. Now we want to beat the eggs until they are light. Cool, there we go. Everything is combined, it's nice and light, there's some fluff at the top, so you're good. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to add in half a cup of milk, just right in there, and you want to just mix it together. All right, so now we have to gradually incorporate our half a cup of flour, a pinch, I did a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch, I did half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna slowly pour in our nutmeg and salt, and then our sifted flour. So I'm gonna grab our sieve and pour it all in. There we go. Now we have the little bits that won't break down. Just place that back over here and we mix our flour in. There we go. Our batter is nice and thick and it has little spots of the nutmeg. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. It's very thick, drizzles down, and you can see all the nutmeg pieces right there. Look at that. Cool. So now we take out the pan. Wow, that is a lot of flour. Go over there. Now we take out the pan that has been in the oven for about an hour and a half, and I'm gonna do this quick because I'm pretty sure this is gonna be really hot, but it's okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, so I moved it over to the stove because it was a bit too warm to put on the granite. But what you want to do is you want to take about 2 tablespoons of butter and you just want to butter the entire pan. I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so now it's all good. And you just want to add all of our mixture into the skillet. Let's go, 1, 2, 3. So here it is. And now we put this back in the oven. Okay, back in the oven. I'm gonna get both of the mitts, because that's what I did a second ago. Wow, these mitts are so warm now. Oh my God, okay. Back into the oven. Get that open. Okay, cool. Back into the 475 degree oven. And you want to set a timer for 12 minutes. Pretty sure it's 12 minutes, that seems like a lot. Yeah. So you want to set your timer for 12 minutes or until it is puffed up and golden brown. I will see you then. Bye. Okay, so I just cut it and we're gonna see what it tastes like. This is a Dutch baby. Yeah. That's interesting. So it kind of has like a gummy texture and it just feels like a really thick crepe. These crepes are supposed to be like paper thin, and it just feels like you added like 1 too many scoops of batter into the crepe maker thing. I don't know. It tastes really nice though because of the nutmeg and everything. You can see it. It's fine. It's fine. Because of the nutmeg, it adds a really nice Christmassy flavor. So I could definitely imagine like waking up Christmas morning and just making this because it just has like a nice Christmassy look too, with all the powdered sugar dusted on top. It's really easy, really quick, not counting the preheating the skillet for like an hour, which wasn't fun. But yeah, I would make this again if my family likes it, which I'm pretty sure they will. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.